Good morning students, I am computer ma'am. Today we have to learn about lesson 6 logo a computer language. Children, a computer does not understand English. Thus a special language is used to tell it to do any task like to draw a car, play a game, type a letter, etc. This language is known as computer language. Among the many computer languages that are available, Logo is the easiest to learn. Now let's learn about logo. Starting MSW logo, components of a logo window, logo primitives, repeat command, existing logo. First one, logo. Logo stands for language of graphics oriented. It is also called the Turtles language. It is a very easy to interesting language developed especially for school children. Logo can be used to do the following task: draw figures, type text, solve mathematical problems. Microsoft Windows logo is a popular version of logo. Children, listen. What is it stands for logo? Yes, language of graphics oriented. Language of graphics oriented. Children, second one, starting MSW logo. Here are the steps to start MSW logo. Step 1, click on the start button and choose all programs. Step 2, select and click on Microsoft Windows logo. Step 3, click on the OK button to get the MSW logo screen. Children, listen. What are the steps to start MSW logo screen? Yes, start all programs, Microsoft Windows logo, OK button. Children, next one, components of a logo window. The logo window has two main parts, main screen and commander window. Main screen and commander window. Next one, main screen. The main screen is the area where we draw figures. It is also called graphics screen. The various parts of main screen are title bar, menu bar and scroll bar. Children, listen. What are the parts of a main screen? Yes, title bar, menu bar and scroll bar. The triangle in the middle of the screen is a logo turtle. The logo turtle is a small triangle. It shows the position from where we can start drawing. It has two parts, head and tail. The top of the turtle is its head and the bottom part is its tail. What is the logo turtle? Yes, the logo turtle is a small triangle. What are the two parts of a turtle? Yes, head and tail. The turtle moves according to the command given to it in the input box. It can move in any direction. Initially, when we start logo, the turtle appears in the middle of the screen, a place referred to as its home position. Next one, commander window. The commander window is divided into three parts. First one, command input box. Second one, recall list box. Third one, command buttons. First one, command input box. It is the place where we type commands. Second one, recall list box. It records and displays all the commands that we have typed in the command input box. Third one, command buttons. Various buttons are available on the command window. They help us to work with logo. Let's see how they work. Children, listen. What are the three parts of a commander window? Yes, command input box, recall list box, command buttons. First one, halt. It stops logo from processing. Next one, trace. It traces and removes errors. Pause. It stops the program for some time. Next one, status. It shows the present setting of logo. Next one, step. It helps to remove errors step by step. Next one, reset. It clears the logo screen. Next one, execute. It executes the logo program. Next one, edall. It changes the logo command. Children, next one, logo primitives. The commands that we give to the turtle are called logo primitives. We have to type these logo commands in the input box. These commands are executed when we click on the execute button or press the enter key. There are 9 basic primitives. Children, listen. What is the logo primitives? Yes, the commands that we give to the turtle are called logo primitives. First one, high turtle primitive. The short form of high turtle primitive is HT. This primitive is used to hide the turtle. Command HT enter. Second one, show turtle primitive. The short form of show turtle primitive is ST. The hidden turtle can be brought back on the screen with this primitive. Command ST enter. Third one, home. The home of the turtle is in the middle of the screen. This primitive is used to make the turtle reach home. Command home enter. Fourth one, clear text primitive. The short form of clear text primitive is CT. This primitive is used to clear the text typed in the text area. Command CT enter. Fifth one, clear screen primitive. The short form of clear screen primitive is CS. This primitive is used to clear the main screen and erase all text and graphics from the screen. Command CS enter. Children, there are some direction commands in logo. Using these, the turtle can be turned through various angles and then moved in any directions. Let's see how the turtle moves in different directions. Sixth one, forward primitive. The short form of forward primitive is FD. With this primitive, the turtle moves forward in the direction of its head. Command FD space number of steps enter. Type example, type FD 40 and press enter. The turtle will move 40 steps forward. Seventh one, backward primitive. The short form of backward primitive is BK. With this primitive, the turtle moves backward. That is, it moves in the direction of its tail. Command BK space number of steps enter. Example, type BK 30 and press enter. The turtle will move 30 steps backward. Eighth one, right primitive. The short form of right primitive is RT. With this primitive, the turtle turns clockwise, which means to the right side of its head. Command RT space number of degrees enter. Example, type RT 10 and press enter. The command suggests that the turtle will turn 10 degrees right. Similarly, RT 90 indicates that the turtle will turn 90 degrees right. To move the turtle further, we have to give the backward or forward primitives. RT 45, RT 60, RT 90, RT 120. Ninth one, left primitive. The short form of left primitive is LT. With this primitive, the turtle turns anti-clockwise, which means to the left side of its head. Command LT space number of degrees enter. Example, type LT 10 and press enter. The command indicates that the turtle will turn 10 degrees left. Similarly, LT 90 suggests that the turtle will turn 90 degrees left. Children, listen. What are the 9 basic primitives? Yes. Hide turtle, show turtle, home, clear text primitive, clear screen primitive, forward primitive, backward primitive, right primitive, left primitive. Repeat command. While working with logo, some steps can be done faster if they are repeated. This is true for any pattern in which we use a sequence of instruction. For example, A FD 100 LT 90, B FD 100 LT 90, A FD 100 LT 90, FD 100 LT 90. Here we are typing FD and LT commands together and repeating them 4 times to get a square. We can do this in an easier way by using the repeat commands. Repeat for FD 100 LT 90. A repeat command repeats the given command for the number of times mentioned in it. For example, to draw a triangle using the repeat command, we type repeat 3 FD 100 RT 120. The command FD 100 RT 120 will be repeated 3 times. Next one, existing logo. We can close MSW logo by typing BYE in the command window input box. We can also exit from logo by clicking on the file menu and selecting exit. That's all this lesson, children. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.